Alright, so you and I both saw this coming. The full quick start guide for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo is officially out there now, and honestly, this doesn't feel like some massive surprise. We've already seen leaked hands-on videos, we've seen the retail packaging. In the last video, we even talked about launch date. So the manual showing up now just feels like the next logical step in the timeline. And usually when proper documentation starts leaking, that's when things begin to move faster. Clearer specs tend to follow, final confirmations show up, sometimes even early marketing material slips out. With March 26th expected as the launch date, this feels like the point where everything starts lining up. From here, things should fall into place pretty quickly. What really stands out though is how normal everything looks. The cover clearly says Osmo Pocket 4 Quick Start Guide Creator Combo, and when you go through the pages, the layout feels very familiar. The diagram shows the camera module on top, the rotatable touchscreen, the zoom button, the status LED, the 5D joystick, the USB-C port, the shutter or record button, and the custom button. If you've used the Pocket 3, the overall layout will feel very familiar. Even though there are a couple of refinements like the dedicated zoom button and the customizable shortcut button, it's still very much in line with what we expected. But there's one small detail that feels bigger than it sounds. The microSD card slot is labeled as microSD card slot with cover. And that's new. On the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the previous Pocket models, the SD card slot was exposed. There wasn't a dedicated protective flap over it, you just inserted the card and that was it. This time, DJI is clearly calling out that there's a cover. That feels intentional. You don't highlight something like that in an official diagram unless you want people to notice it. So naturally, the big question becomes whether this hints at water resistance. It's possible. A covered card slot is usually one of the first steps toward better environmental sealing. You don't add a flap without a reason. At the very least, this suggests improved protection against dust or light splashes. But a covered SD slot alone doesn't automatically mean waterproofing. For an actual IP rating, you'd need proper sealing around the buttons, the USB-C port, the speaker openings, and especially around the rotating touchscreen hinge. And that hinge is important. Since the Pocket still uses a rotatable touchscreen mechanism, full waterproofing would be mechanically challenging unless DJI significantly redesigned the internal sealing. So based on what we can see, this likely points to better durability and environmental protection rather than guaranteed full water resistance. Until DJI officially confirms an IP rating, we can't assume anything beyond that. Another detail that stands out is the custom button being clearly labeled as press and hold to customize functions. Customization was already possible on previous models, but it wasn't emphasized this clearly in the quick guide diagrams. The way it's presented here suggests DJI may be putting more focus on quick shortcuts, faster switching between modes, and smoother access to creator-focused controls. That would make sense for something branded as a creator combo. Beyond that, there really isn't anything groundbreaking in the guide itself. If you spotted something in the guide that we didn't mention, drop it in the comments. Peace.